In this video, we're going to show you how to install a power window door lock switch on your Toyota Camry located on the driver's side front door. Using a trim tool, you want to get underneath the bezel here and gently pry it up. Pull this tab back from underneath the door panel. When you pull this out, you'll have the electrical connector right here for the main switch. On the bottom is the little tab you want to press in on to unlock it. So press in on that and remove the connector. Remove your trim bezel, flip this over, remove the two Phillips head screws, one here, one in the center here. Around the perimeter of our trim bezel are going to be little retaining tabs. And we're going to use our pocket screwdriver to go ahead and release those. Now the trim bezel itself had a few tabs. We actually counted 5 that were released. There's one on the bottom. There's one here, one here. And when you tilt it, there's one here and one here. Our factory unit had some tape over this, so we just had to kind of clear the tape away and gently get in behind the tab and pry that out. While you're prying it, pull off the trim bezel gently. Take your switch unit, line that up. Install your bracket. So once that bottoms out, just give it a little bit more. You want to make it tight, but you don't want to over tighten it where you strip the plastic. Flip that around, get your other screw in there. And do the same here. Gently snug that down. Install the harness on your switch. You're going to feel it and hear it lock in. Insert the front portion first into the door panel. And then on your vehicle, you should have a retainer clip on the bottom. You just want to snap that down into place. Our retainer is broken on the bottom, but you do want to press that in until it snaps down and into place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.